is Chris Kennard. I'm the president here at PMI. We make a wide variety of products as we're a job shop, which means we get orders from large OEMs to make parts for them. So we do work for Subaru, we do work for Whirlpool, we do work for Electrolux, we do work for Oshkosh Truck, a lot of military type work. We do a lot of work for Menards doing their steel building panels. So a real wide variety of parts. CVTC graduates have been extremely important to us. They're so very well trained. They're good people. I think the training makes them well-rounded people, great employees, they're on time, and they work extremely hard. So you'll see a lot of CVTC grads here at PMI.
I actually graduated early from high school. I did the first semester at CVTC, and then from there I came back, graduated from my class, and then I went on to finish my degree. So I did the sales and marketing program, and I graduated back in 2003. The education was awesome. It was affordable. I was able to live at home. I could drive back and forth every day. From there, I've been able to come here to PMI now. I'm the sales and marketing manager, so I've been able to sell products. Just doing the selling classes at CVTC is really what gave me that drive to succeed.